Don't let the rain ruin your drive. Let's check out the front and rear wiper operation, as well as the auto control rain sensing function equipped in your Kia vehicle. First, let's take a look at the lever here on the right side of the steering wheel. Moving it up and down will change the 4 wiper modes. At the top is mist, which is a single wipe. Intermittent pauses between wipes. There's low for a slow wipe, high for a fast wipe. And setting it to auto lets the car's automatic rain sensor, located on the upper windshield, control the wiper speed for you. The more it rains, the faster the wiper operates, and it'll turn off when the rain stops. To adjust the auto rain sensitivity setting, flip this switch up or down along the 5 speeds. Make sure to turn off the auto setting during a car wash to avoid damaging the wiper blades. Pulling the lever toward the driver will spray the windshield and wipe it. Now for your back wipers, just twist the end of the lever like this, using these 3 settings: high, low, and off. In most models, the wiper mode can be displayed in the digital dash. Finally, to inspect or replace the wiper blades, you'll need to activate service mode. While the engine is running, turn it off, and you'll have a 20-second window to move the wiper switch to the mist position. Then hold the switch for 2 seconds until the wiper blade is in the fully up position. To return the wipers back to normal, turn the ignition on and activate mist.